The new Volkswagen Atlas has undergone a significant facelift, featuring a sleek and sophisticated design that showcases an array of upgrades and refinements. Debuting at this year's Chicago Auto Show, the 2022 Volkswagen Atlas and Atlas Cross are set to offer drivers a host of new options, improved powertrain options, and a sophisticated contemporary style. Under the hood, the Atlas has undergone significant changes, shedding last year's VR6 engine option for a now standard turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. This engine delivers a powerful 269 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, while still matching the V6's towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. The Atlas features an 8-speed automatic transmission as the sole option, with front-wheel drive coming as standard, while the 4Motion all-wheel drive system is available as an option. The Atlas boasts an impressive set of new wheel designs for the 2024 model year, with sizes ranging from 18 to 20 inches, depending on the configuration. The sporty R-Line version offers the largest 21-inch aluminum alloys, while also featuring unique R-Line badging and gloss black accents on the exterior. The interior of the Atlas has also been upgraded, featuring high-quality leather materials on the dash and center console, replacing the previous year's hard plastic. The same materials are used on the front and rear door panels, with top-trim Atlas models offering exquisite quilted leather seats with a stunning diamond stitching pattern. The 12-inch floating touchscreen, which replaces last year's 10.3-inch unit, sits at the center of the updated cabin, along with a new 10.3-inch digital instrument cluster, positioned directly in front of the driver. The 2024 Volkswagen Atlas will hit dealerships later this year, with pricing details set to be announced closer to the on-sale date. Drivers can expect a slight increase over the 2023 model, which starts at $36,445 with the destination fee included, while the 2023 Atlas Cross starts at $35,755. The Volkswagen Atlas is set to offer drivers a sophisticated, refined, and stylish driving experience, with a host of new upgrades and refinements that make it one of the most sought-after vehicles of the year.